Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel GoDaddy domain subscription. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to godaddy.com and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you'll be on GoDaddy's dashboard. On the dashboard, click on this small dotted icon at the top. From these, choose Domains. Now, when you click on Domains, you will see the domain page. Here, you'll have Portfolio, DNS, Transfers, Services, Tools, and Settings. So make sure you're on the Portfolio tab and you will see a page that will look something like this. Now, here you will see all the domains that will be available for your GoDaddy. So all the domains you will own will appear here. You'll have to simply click on the domain setting button at the right of the screen, and this is going to load up your domain portfolio. Here the first option you have is renew. After that, auto renew, expires on, and renew cost. So you'll have to just make sure that on this page the auto renew button is turned off. And when you turn off this button, you would have successfully cancelled the GoDaddy subscription, because it is not going to renew your subscription. So just turn this subscription off and you would have successfully cancelled GoDaddy subscription. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.